a moment we have all long dreamed of and worked hard for. It is a moment that validates the countless hours that we have studied, the sleepless nights, failed simulations, and perhaps even broken spirits that we have managed to repair. As I stand here today, humbled and honored to be among the top-notchers of the Electronics Technician Board exams, I carry not only my personal journey, but also the collective efforts of those who believed in me, even during the times I doubted myself. This achievement is not mine alone. It belongs to my professors who pushed me beyond my limits, my school which provided a strong foundation, my family who loved and anchored me in my most stressful days, and to my friends and fellow examinees who reminded me that I was never alone in this battle. Being a top-notcher is not a badge of honor. It's not a badge of superiority, rather, but a responsibility. It reminds us that we must always aim to serve with integrity, to lead with humility, and to innovate with a purpose. As electronics and communication engineer, we are now at the forefront of a world that runs on information, innovation, and interconnectivity. This is both a privilege and a duty. To my fellow passers, we are now engineers. We not just in title, but in purpose. Let us take this oath seriously, not just as formality, but as a pledge to contribute meaningfully to society, to uphold ethical standards in our profession, and to never stop learning. In closing, let me say this. May our success not end here. May it be the beginning of something greater. Not just for ourselves, but for the community, industries we'll soon be part of. Congratulations, engineers. Let's build the future together. Thank you.